Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to increase or decrease the volume or how to increase the game sound or the chart sound. So in order to increase the volume, right, if you connect to PS5, on this left side you can see this volume bar, so you can just rotate it. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. You can verify here. So I'm going to decrease it now. So it's decreasing. Also you can check this on the right side. There is a 2 button. This is for game button and this is for chart button. And if you press it right, completely turned on for chart. And if you want to decrease the game sound, you need to press it. So this is low and this is high. So that's it, friends, is the way you can increase the game volume or chart volume in Sony Inzone H9 or H7. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.